Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video we are going to be doing a natural eye. This time I promise it's going to be pretty natural. So I'm going to start off using the Flower Beauty. Well, I'm going to start off with my Essence Eye Base actually. I'm going to use my Essence Eye Base and then we're going to use that Flower Beauty palette. I'm just gonna spread this out with my sponge. I have noticed that my McGrath concealer creases really bad on my eyelids, but it's probably because I don't set my eyelids until after I get up here to do my eyes. I don't set it with powder because I'm going to put this stuff on it. I hope that's it because I don't remember noticing it like throughout the day. It's just when I go to put that on, I get cat hair and fuzzies in my eyes all the time. Maybe I'll just use this brush that came with it. So we're going to go in with, see if we can find a matte. Yes, I know what we're going to do. I can see it already. We're going to go in first, well actually I'm going to go in with this creme brulee because there's not a light color like this, a nude color that's matte in this palette. So I'm going to take this and just set that eye base that I just put on real quick. Try and keep that from recreasing. There. Now we're going to go in with this color right here and into the crease. I don't want to use this brush that came with it. I was going to, but changed my mind. I'll use this Morphe brush. And since we're doing a nude eye, it's pretty much the same nude one we've been doing, but we're using different products that I already had. Because like I said, there's not much new stuff coming out right now that I've seen. If you know of something new, be sure to leave it in the comments so I can go on the hunt for it. Oh my goodness, I went in the wrong one. I knew that looked darker. Well, let's try and buff this down to nothing, and I'll have to add that color to the other eye now. Darn it. Yep, that's a lot darker. Alright, so let's add a little bit of this. Well, let's first get this off the brush. Add a little bit of this light that I was supposed to be getting to this eye. See if we can get it to be the right color. Well, that plan didn't work out. Oh well. It's still going to be a nude eye. It's just a little bit darker than I thought it was going to be. Because I don't want to wash it off and start over. We'll just match them up. Okay, they're matched. Now I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to wet this e.l.f. brush. And I'm using Fix Plus from MAC, but you can use any setting spray to wet your brush. Somebody asked me if I was using water, and I've never tried water, but I would think it would just, you know, work just as good. And I'm going into this very first lightest color. And I'm putting this all over my lid. I actually feel like it works better if you get the shadow on it and then spray it. But I forgot. So, now, this color is so pretty. Looks like I lost a brush hair in my eyelash. There. Okay, it's not very natural. I didn't realize it was so shiny. I think it's beautiful, but it's not the natural look that I was going for. But oh well, right? It's good. And then I'm going to take, I have to take a different shadow palette because this one doesn't have a black in it. Oh, I'll just use this little e.l.f. palette. Again, the Truffles one has a black. So we'll just use that. And we will do a liner with it. This is the e.l.f. palette, and I'm using the black. And I'm using a super stiff angle brush. I guess I don't have a lot to say today. I know that this morning when I got up I was so cold. I'm still cold. I had my black sweater that the sleeves are all torn up on because I was so cold. But I didn't think you guys wanted to see those sleeves. They're pretty bad. But that's the warmest sweater in the world. I love that sweater. I mean, I don't love it for its looks, but I just can't throw it away because I haven't found anything that's as warm as that and as, you know, comfy-ness. That one went up a lot higher. So we'll just fix this one because we're going to smoke them out anyways. I mean, we're going to, you know, fluff them. Smudge them. That's what the word I was looking for, not fluff. You can't fluff your eyelids. There. Now, I need to take this, get rid of any fallout. And there is fallout. And then I need to take my liquid liner, and I always seem to get a lot of shadow on this set of eyelashes. And they look kind of grayish. So I just go over them with some liquid liner because it's faster and it doesn't do as much damage to the lashes. Not my lashes, to the extensions. I mean, it doesn't make them stiff and sticky and stuff like that, like mascara does. There. That's good. I only got a little on this one, on the inside. There. Okay, now we need to do our brows. I'm just going to use the Wet n Wild one again. I really like this because it's so easy. It's going to be another quick one. I'm excited to get that serum for my brows so that I don't have to do hardly anything. And then I'll probably go back to using my Brow pomade because it'll make them, it's got enough wax in it to make them stay in place, like. Once I have a lot of brows to do it. Right now I need a lot more coloring to go on because I have a lot of gaps. But we're gonna grow that right back. I really should try out some brow products, but I'm just not that picky about brow products. And they're all kind of just meh, you know. It's like, okay, that works. Maybe once I use the serum and I get really good brows, then I'll start trying brow products. But right now, I just need them to pretty much draw them in there. Fill them in because they're very sparse. But I do like the Brow. I used it forever and I really like it. It's just that this pencil is easier sometimes. Sometimes I don't feel like it is. Right now I'm really lazy. I don't want to do anything. I don't want to play with you, silly girl. I don't want to throw your toy for you. You dropped it. You want to come up here and say hi to the peeps? See, this is what's bugging me. She wants me to throw her toy. She's the biggest fetching cat. She loves to fetch. She has this little, you know those plastic rings when you open a gallon of milk and you have to peel off that thing, that little ring thing that you peel off? That is her favorite toy. She loves it. She chases it. She brings it to me and drops it on my face when I'm sleeping or in my lap when I'm in the living room. She loves it. And that's what she has, one of those right there for me to throw. Okay, I think that's good for the brows. So, what else? That's pretty much it. I'm going to put on some lipstick. We'll put on this. This is the Revlon Kiss Cushion Lip Tint. And this one is Fancy Rose, I believe. We are good to go. Not going anywhere though. So, this is it. This is our natural look. Not very natural, is it? Wait. What happened to all the black over here? It's gone. It's all over there now. Alright, we're going to add a little more black. We're not done. Because see, look at that one. It's way black. And this one's like not. I guess I fluffed it off. What brush was I using? I was using that... Oh, the liner brush. Never mind. I'm having a scatterbrain moment. So let's just put some more on this side. And then we'll take our, I think it was this one that I was using to smudge it. There, that looks more like the other side. Okay, now we're done, for sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And let me know if you hear of any new products that you want me to try. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos. I will see you in my next video. Mwah!